inshot is a simple and powerful video edit app. Aside from the basic editing features like trimming videos, merging clips, it also helps adjust the video speed in fast or slow motion. With inshot, it's super easy to crop unwanted parts of the video. inshot has a huge music library, 100% for free, and will be updated constantly. Of course, you can also use the music stored on your phone. Vintage filters and fantastic effects will make your video stand out on social media. There are a lot of filters and effects. You can choose what you like. Ever try fitting your video with frame? Get started making video memes with inshot.
Oh.
It's certainly fun to decorate the video with text and stickers. Wow, the animated stickers look amazing in the video! Don't be surprised, inshot is also professional in photo editing and collage making. So, what are you waiting for? Download now and give it a shot!